Yeah, get down to you and try to catch it. Fuck you, just hand it over. Just hand it over, eh? I don't know how I stay so fat around you two. Eh? Or Mrs. Bubba. Probably should go open the front door and he'd probably come in. Oh, you're in a panic, are you? We smell it? We smell it? Wow. Oh, don't worry about me. We're running out here. No, catch. She catch, she did. She caught her before it hit the ground. Good girl. She catches it, eats it, and then looks at the floor.
Princess.